Hello everyone, welcome to Mahalakshmi Trisha. It is a mandir. Its name is Shakhi Gopal Mandir.
And where are you, Trisha? First tell.
Yes, it is my
Granny's house in Kolkata.
in Kolkata. Now I will show you the mandir.
Okay, let's show our viewers the Shakhi Gopal Mandir. Open the door, Trisha. Yes, this is our Shakhi Gopal Mandir, and it is a very famous temple because it's one of the part of. Oh, it's locked. Sorry guys, I have to show you from the wall itself, from the glass door. Actually, it's the morning time, and just after a few hours भगवान को भोग चढ़ाया जाएगा, उसका प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है. You can see it's fully decorated. If we have come a bit earlier, we can see the morning prayers and the morning aarti, everything. So starting, it's a temple in Vishnupur. It is Trisha's temple because Trisha is a part of this family. Okay, now Trisha's mandir, Shakhi Gopal Mandir is this. We have already talked about Shakhi Gopal Mandir. Now let me show you what is Shakhi Gopal Mandir. It is in Vishnupur and it is a very old temple. But it's very much renovated, so you guys cannot see the old phase of this temple. But still, everything is same but only renovated. So let me show you very closely which is our Shakhi Gopal and why do we call it as a Shakhi Gopal. Trisha, can you please help and open the door? Okay, slowly. This is our main Shakhi Gopal Bhagwan Ji. Yes, God is Shakhi Gopal. Because why do we call this God as Shakhi Gopal? It's have a very reasonable name. So let me explain how much I have heard from my parents, how much Trisha have heard from her grandparents. That much I would like to share with you all. So you can see it's a 6 feet goddess. It's Krishna, Radha Krishna. It's Gopal, Radha Rani. We call them particularly by Gopal and Radha Rani. And all the rest of the goddess you can see, those all are same Narayan, Gorang, and everything have their particular name. But basically this mandir is known by our Radharani and Gopal. So it's definitely made of wood, a very hard wood, and it's most probably 6 feet and above the height of this goddess. Particularly now it is dressed with flowers, but in occasions we change all the clothes. In particular occasions we change. Every day the 3 times aarti, the 3 times bhog and prasad is being offered to this goddess. I could see myself in my house, what are the things happening in the whole day, exactly like we people have our breakfast and lunch and dinner. So this goddess is also having, it's the same, only the things are happening is the time by time the things are done. So it's not only about our house temple, but it is really a very authentic old temple, because in some cases, in some particular name, the Shakhi Gopal is given. Why? Because So this is what we showed as Gopal Radharani's Mandir, means Shakhi Gopal Mandir, and now I would like to say that it's only in 1 year we come here and see this mandir, but the rest of the time we could only visit through videos or video calls or through photos. But really very much glad to say that Trisha really enjoys a lot, and एक ओकेशन हम लोग अटेंड कर पाते बहुत रेयरली, या तो पूरा साल तो हम लोग अटेंड कर नहीं पाते, बट वी रियली मिस, बिकॉज इधर गोपाल राधा रानी का बहुत सारा चीज़ें जो होता है, ओकेशंस या त्यौहार बोल सकते हैं, वो बहुत मज़ेदार होता है, बहुत कलरफुल होता है, चाहे वो होली हो चाहे वो रास हो, यही स्टेज में पीपल बैठ बैठ के घंटों तालियों के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं. As you can see, Trisha is also here because उनका क्लास हो चुका है अभी, दिवाली वैकेशंस चल रहे हैं.
And my brother is also there today.
आरव भी बहुत मज़े कर रहे हैं. As 1:30 तक Trisha का क्लासेस होता है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, तो Trisha is not able to come to this temple every day. But now since it's a Diwali vacation and we are in Kolkata, so Trisha makes sure that she could visit every day, every afternoon. Right, Trisha?
Yes.
आपको अच्छा लगता है इधर आने?
Very
much, right? हाँ, because हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
वो हिंदी में वो कीर्तन बोलते हैं.
कीर्तन बोलते हैं. Trisha also do कीर्तन. You can see in the video. हम लोग मुंबई में रहते हैं, ये सब नहीं मिलता है उधर रोज़ का, बट जब आते हैं तो वी मेक श्योर कि हम लोग एक दिन भी मिस ना करें.
रोज का कुछ नहीं, उधर मंदिर ही नहीं है.
फेमस मंदिर है, सो वी थॉट टू शेयर विथ यू. इफ यू ऑल लाइक, यू कैन ऑल्सो कम एंड सी द गोपाल राधा रानी मंदिर, एंड दैट्स इट. सो बाय बाय.
Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button.
Because Trisha is very small, so Mama is also helping Trisha. But to make her grow, to give some love, we need the support of you all. So please, if you all are not subscribed yet, then do subscribe our channel.
Mommy.
Show yourself love. Bye.